welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well, and it's been a very long time I didn't able to upload any video, so I'm really sorry for that. And today I'm here in Jakarta town, so let me even show you the views and where I'm going. I hope you like and enjoy this video. Please don't skip and watch till the end. Moving on, let's go to Downside Road and let's explore more. The Seri Square Jaga, it's a very beautiful place. You can sit comfortably and enjoy. And that's the view I was talking about. It's so pretty. Let me go near and show you more. Wow, it's so nice. So let's go around the paddy field. Wow, Manui come crazy. And see, this is the road. It's wild. Oh, something. This is so pretty, I can't imagine. Wow. Just look at my background, it's so pretty. Small butterfly around these flowers, and it's so pretty. Well, it's so refreshing. Such a peaceful place. Please do come and visit this place. I hope you'll like it. It's so green. Seriously, it's so green and it's so pretty. If you come closer, you will explore more on top. It's very nice. Dando, and see, it's pretty green. Yeah, it's so good. Even this part, I like this one. It's so nice. Wow, I wish I come here to do paddy field next time. Wow, I like the place. It's so green. Oh, what's that? And yeah, the weather is also so good. I'm enjoying. The hard work of the villagers can see so good. They're working so hard for this, and it's so nice. I appreciate it. That's a cute banana. Very cute. Oh, what's that? The corn can overball last. It's going to be so yummy. Organic. So good. Looking at their hard work, I'm so impressed, and it's so well they're maintained, and the cleanliness, and of course the rice they're planting, and even the corns. Everyone is working hard for this. Mini river. It's so clean, yeah. The water is so fresh and clean. The god of cute as you got middle of the paddy field. It will be so nice to do some picnics over here. Wow. Here we go. Over Hawaii. Dan kan da bir şey olası. It's carrying seeds. See? Wow. Dan sobalas. That grandma is working on her field. And wow. It's so good. I can't believe. That's the tree of a peach. Let's go closer and show you. It's so ripened. Wow. Look, it's going to be yummy. These sweet corns are going to be so sweet, and it's going to be good for having. Time to relax. Let's relax here. It's so nice. endless paddy field. It's so green and nice. Wow. Come here and visit. There is lots of varieties of vegetables and the things they are growing, and it's so good, so nice. It will be so good to have also, and I'm so happy for this. It's a wooden bridge over a small river, and it's so clean. The water is so cold and fresh. This is called a village life, guys. It's so nice. Well, guys, that's all for our video for today, and see you in the next vlog. Meanwhile, take care. Bye bye.